your voice Slavic kid, but to back again with another banger. Here with the hoes.
Type shit. Yo, what's up, Buffett? It's your boy, Brian Iwan, aka the certified lover boy. Who's two was on to his zombie. Remember, I can't remember so issue. And my homies know me as the
Chill guy. It's crazy, yo. Yes, sir. It's your boy, Solo Slick Buffett, Solo _ Slick with down. You know what it is. Slickest motherfucker, like soon to be big. We stand on business. Let's get it.
First daddy.
Yes, sir. What's up? It's your boy Kevin. We're back with another video, and yeah, our friends, let's get it.
I'm waiting for the real where we at?
Oh yeah, where we at, my friends? Bitch.
Except,
What's the life? Steve, your wife.
come and let me hit it thrice.
Oh, pussy got a price for feet. Sunya's none. Pissy, pasa, sizenga mas.
Shit, James, shit. You know, James, my favorite to Prince, the realest out there. If you didn't know, now you know. Let's get it.
Now you know, boys. If you don't know, you're not valid right now. For real, Buffett. So today is something different. You feel me? All the O's introduce themselves. We're gonna announce something big, Buffett. So Buffett, we decided to like change the channel name to the O's. You feel me? From Solo Slick to the O's, because it's a group channel. You feel me? So everyone should be updated. In Buffett, the O's. Yeah, bro. Yeah, and carry on tapping in. Same people, same energy, same vibes. Subscribe too. And again, guys, if you wanna get hoes, you have to be a what? Oh.
Dlanges.
Okay.
Dlanges.
Dlanges. Okay, so Dlanges is umbuzo nje mncane. Okay, what's the craziest thing you've done that your parents don't know about? Denzima nje seke wayenza. Abazali bakho bengazi.
Ngaphuma ngihamba ulala nomfana ngaphandle. Bengazi.
Wamitha bengazi.
Where'd y'all put the guns?
Ikuphi leyo ngane? Ikhona. Kodwa abazi namanje. Kanjani Wamit bengatholi. They never find out that you're pregnant.
Yes. Isisamo sasingabonakali.
Sasingabonakali. Wasibopha.
Cha nje singabonakali besingekho.
Besingekho.
La kuthi nje mangimithi ngeze usibone isisu singimithi.
Damn, okay. So I'm gonna ask you to yabo from these two guys. Gents. From these two guys, who do you think is a better hugger? This one. Do you wanna find out? Do you wanna find out? Okay. Another question. Who you think is a better kiss? Same person? Wanna find out again? Just a small kiss, just mwah. Danko.
Ever standard.
If you like this video, I'm definitely gonna drop a lot more coming after. Okay, ungeza. Okay, so ukubuza nginobalana.
Ayanda.
Wasempangeni. What's the craziest thing you have done that your parents don't know about?
Ukuthi ngihambe ngophuza nabantu bengazi.
If you are given a chance to relive one moment in your life, which year or like which grade would you go back to? Okay, ngizokubuza grade 10.
Yeah.
Wenzani nga grade 10?
Ila khona ngabheda khona bese ngihamba namathomizi afisa ngayokuhlosoloza lapha ngadala.
Okay, ngizokubuza khona ke into engifuna ukukubuza yona, ngicela ungiphendule. Yabona amajita lawa la. Gents, uzani la? No.
Zanda. Zanzovel. Okay. From Lama. Oh, chill. I can attack from Lamach. From Lamachita now. Who do you think is a better kisser and who do you think is a better hugger?
Ayakekho la kumina.
Joe. Kulava. Okay, who do you think is a better hugger? Okay, nah.
Ayakekho.
Ayekho umuntu okwazi ukushaya hug.
Ngingangikhombisi. Right.
Chopra. On to the next.
Oh my God!
Big one.
Yes! Yo! She's too moist, boy. Yo! She's too moist, dog.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
You eating? Why you tall like pussy?
Shit.
Don't block. So we don't get pushed. No. Go down. Go down again. Go down. I swear niggas are not acting anymore. Go down, boy. Especially this one. He's not acting anymore. How many times?